Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allison and I am a stay-at-home mom of one, and I love to do cleaning videos and organizational videos and things like that. So if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you are a current subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, this is going to be part 2 of me cleaning my new home that we just moved into. I'm just trying to get the bulk of like the construction dust and any dirt and stuff out of the house. Since the house was a flip, there was a lot of, dust and debris and construction stuff left over after they renovated the house. And so that's why, if you notice, like I don't really have any furniture in these videos. It's because our furniture wasn't here yet. I was just trying to clean out the house and get everything deep clean to get the dust and construction debris out of everywhere before all of our stuff got moved in. So I'm starting here in the office room, which I'm actually in right now. This is going to be my office / filming room for my makeup channel. If you're not subscribed to my makeup channel, feel free to go subscribe. I'll leave the link down below, and I do makeup tutorials, and I've been doing makeup videos for, I think, honestly, maybe close to 10 years now. It's been a really long time, maybe 8 or 9 years that I've been doing makeup videos, and the cleaning is just my new thing on YouTube. But yeah, if you're not subscribed there, go check it out. But for this room, I'm basically doing the same thing I did in the last video, where I'm washing the baseboards and washing the walls, because there was a lot of construction dust and like painting dust, sanding dust, things like that. And you could kind of just smell it. Like when you can't come in the house, it just smelled like a construction site. So yeah, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Peony scented multi-surface spray just to wipe down everything. So I'm doing the windows here too, and that's what I'm going to do pretty much in each room, is wiping down everything.
What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Before I do the floors, I'm going to take out my little carpet. I actually just got this at Walmart the other day. It's from the Better Homes and Gardens line they have at Walmart, and it was only like $70 some, which was amazing. I was looking for a rug in here, but I hate that rugs are so expensive. It's crazy to me how expensive rugs are. So I was looking for one that still looked nice but wouldn't break the bank, and I love that one, and it's a 5 by 7 foot, and it just fits perfectly in this room. So for all my vacuuming, like I do in all my videos, I'm using my Tineco A10 Hero vacuum, which I got on Amazon. It's basically a dupe for the Dyson Animal, except it's like $200 less or so. So definitely love that vacuum. Highly, highly recommend. And then I'm using my Cedar Spin Mop, which I've really been enjoying, and the Pledge FloorCare floor cleaner, and I just mix that with some water. And I love the smell. It's that rain shower scent, Febreze scent, that is like literally amazing. It smells so good. And it does work pretty well. I'm still on the hunt for a different floor cleaner. I was looking yesterday, but I didn't find anything I loved. So if you guys have anything you really enjoy for cleaning wood floors and just floors in general, please let me know in the comments below, because I am looking for something new. But here I am just kind of drying off the floor a little bit. Generally, I just let it dry by itself, but I needed to put the rug down to vacuum it. So I just dried that area, and then I'm going back with my vacuum and vacuuming this rug. Now, this vacuum does a really good suction, so I'm pressing so hard and putting my foot down on this rug right now because this vacuum is literally sucking that rug up. It was crazy. So now I'm gonna go into the bathroom. This is our like hallway bathroom. We do have a bathroom, another full bath in our master bedroom, which you'll see later in the video. And this is just our hallway bathroom. It is very like old looking. they basically, once we got in here, we realized that they had basically just painted everything white. So the countertops, the sink, the tub, the tile is not white. It's all painted white. And we're about 3 weeks into living here at this point, and like the the paint is starting to chip off actually, so you can start to see the original underneath, which really makes me upset, because the thing is, this is a really nice house. I'm really grateful that we were able to get this house. It's very nice, and they did a lot of good work, but you can definitely see areas where they cut corners and went cheap just to make it look nice, which is really unfortunate. So this is a bathroom we're definitely planning on remodeling very soon, and just like ripping everything out and putting new in, because it's just, you can tell how old it is when you're really in here, and it just really, really needs an update. So using my same spray to kind of spray off the countertop, I did spray down my shower and my toilet before I do all this. That way the shower cleaner and then the antibacterial cleaner I use in my toilet can sink in and really kind of get working before I wipe it down. So now I'm going into this built-in. I really like the built-in. Again, it's really old, but it does work really well, and it's great storage in here in the bathroom. So I'm going in this built-in and just wiping out all of the compartments, because, you know, an older couple lived here before we did, and you can just, it smells like old people. You know, in certain areas when you open up these cabinets, it has that like old person house smell. So I am slowly but surely trying to get rid of that smell by just wiping this out as often as possible. And then I'm just gonna do the same exact thing with the little drawers underneath. So I've recently switched over to just using a scrubber sponge, like kitchen sponge, to clean the showers, and I like it so much better. I used to have those, you know, scrubbers on long handles or the really abrasive scrubbers, and I still feel like it never really got the shower clean, and just using a regular sponge for some reason works so much better. So that is what I'm using to scrub down the shower, and then I'm going to rinse that out really well and then wipe it down with a towel, just because I don't want any lingering water just like hanging out around the edges of the tub or along the walls or anything.
Feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. 'Cause feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. Over you. I need to let go. I still wish you the best for tomorrow. Of what you felt, what I felt is totally different from each other. This delusion kept in our hearts.
And as you can see for the toilet, I am just using paper towels, not a microfiber cloth, just because the toilet to me is gross, and the thought of using a cloth on the toilet and then like washing it in my washing machine that I wash my clothes in just like bugs me out, so I can't do it. So that's why I use just paper towels. And then I got these Clorox wands that I see a lot of people use on YouTube. And I was like, what the heck, let's just try it. They are life. They work so well and they're so easy. And then you just like throw it away and then your toilet brush isn't sitting there like wet and dirty. I love that so much. One of my favorite purchases in terms of like cleaning products in a while. So now we're going into the master bedroom. As you can see, we've been living out of suitcases for the last couple weeks in this house, waiting for our stuff to get here. Our stuff did finally get here the other day, so we now have furniture. Except unfortunately, the courier, storage system that the military hired to transport our stuff ended up the cartons our stuff was in. Several of them got water in them, and they cracked them open when they got to our house, and there were a lot of pieces of furniture, clothing items, Lily's toys. So much stuff was literally blanketed in just fuzzy mold and is completely destroyed. So thankfully, it's nothing, we couldn't replace. It still stinks, like our couch, or at least half of our couch, recliner, our bed. We had to buy a brand new bed in Box Springs. Dining room chairs, like there's so much that got completely destroyed and is covered in mold. It really stinks. But at any rate, we do have most of our stuff now, which is nice. So I can't wait to show you guys kind of like everything once it gets in here. And so now I'm doing the same thing in the master as I've done in the last couple rooms, which is just wiping down the walls and the baseboards, making sure they're really clean, and wiping down the windows as well.
Listen to the sound, two hearts beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, it's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Sit out your touch. I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave us in between. 'Cause when you knock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has
So here's our master bathroom. It's like a 3/4 bathroom, so it's just a stand-up shower and then like a pedestal sink and everything. At this point, I did run out of my Mrs. Meyer's Peony spray, which makes me so sad because I love the way it smells. And it's not available on Mrs. Meyer's site anymore. It's not available on Grove's site anymore. I can't find it at Target, and that was my last one. So really sad. Here I'm using the lemon verbena scent of the Mrs. Meyer spray, which I actually don't like at all, but I'm gonna use it up until it's gone because I paid for it, but I just really don't like it. There's something about it, I'm not a fan. It's too heavy, like essential oil smelling, which is not my cup of tea. So as I did before, I sprayed down the toilet with the Antibac method spray and let it sit. And then I sprayed down my shower with a Scrubbing Bubbles shower cleaner and let that sit while I wipe down everything else. And then I'm gonna go in and do the same thing I did in the last bathroom in terms of just wiping down the shower, scrubbing it out, and then scrubbing out the toilet as well.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Final step here in this room is going to be the floor. So again, I'm just going through and vacuuming everything, and then I'm going to go ahead and mop as well with the same solution as I did in the last two rooms.
Stratosphere, yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright guys, so that is the finished video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation from this video to kind of kick yourself in the butt and get you going with anything you needed to clean. And like I said, I'm so excited to show you guys how the house looks now that all of our furniture is here. So once that gets all organized, I am going to definitely start posting videos, obviously, of my full finished house. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next time. Bye.